Hello everyone. Today I Devansh Jangra is here to teach you a topic related to life processes. So let's start. Firstly, we should know about nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which a plant, animal or other organisms take food to obtain energy and to remain alive. For example, every day we eat food for what? First, the most important, to remain alive. Second, to get energy to do work for a whole day. The general requirement for energy and material is common in all organisms, but it is fulfilled in different ways. On the basis of that, the nutrition is divided into two parts: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So let's start with trophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism is capable to make their own food by simple inorganic substances like glucose using light and chemical energy, for example, green plants and some bacteria. Or we can also say that it is the process by which autotrophs take in substances or food from outside and convert them into stored form of energy. These materials is taken in the form of carbon dioxide and water, which is converted into carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Carbohydrates are utilized for providing energy to the plant. So friends, as you can see that there is a plant doing photosynthesis. Photosynthesis can be defined with the help of a reaction, which is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Let us know what actually happens during the process of photosynthesis. During this process, some events occurs. First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Third, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. In class 9th, we had talked about stomatas, which are tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. Massive amount of gaseous exchange takes place in the leaves through these pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. But it is important to note here that exchange of gases occurs across through the surface of stems, roots and leaves as well, since large amount of water can also be lost through these stomatas. The plant closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. The opening and closing of the pores is the function of the guard cell. The guard cell swells when the water flows into them, causing the stomatal pores to open. Similarly, the pore closes if the guard cell shrinks. Now it's time to know that where does photosynthesis occur. The site of photosynthesis, which is chloroplast, has an inner and outer membrane with an empty intermediate space in between. Inside the chloroplast are stacks of thylakoids called grana, as well as stroma, the dense fluid inside of the chloroplast. These thylakoids contain the chlorophyll that is necessary for the plant to go through photosynthesis. Plant also needs some other raw materials like nitrogen. Nitrogen is an essential element used in synthesis of protein and other components. This is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrates and nitrites, or it is taken up as organic compounds which have been prepared by bacteria for autotrophic nitrogen. Thank you for watching my video. I will continue the remaining topics soon, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to see my latest videos.